Good morning, guys. Today we are going to be cleaning my dining room chairs, and I'm going to be using this Scotchgard by 3M, and I got this from Walmart. It was less than $8, so we're going to be using that today. I'm going to be using just some Dawn dish liquid. I didn't want to get anything that can possibly stain my chairs, and some warm water and a rag. That's it. And then before I even clean them, I'm going to vacuum them with my Shark Vac. So I got that out. I'm going to get the attachments, and I'm going to make sure I get any dust or anything off of them before I even start to clean them. And then after I clean them, they're going to air dry. Then after they air dry, I'm going to spray. They really don't have to be completely dry, but I'm going to spray the Scotchgard on them, and that is it. This is a great way if you order something from online or anything like that. You can make sure you protect your own furniture, because sometimes you don't have that option when you order certain things online, like I did with my couch. Like furniture stores, if you go in and buy furniture, you can actually get the option where you pay more to stain guard, Scotch guard, whatever your furniture, but a lot of times you can't when you order stuff randomly, piece by piece, online. So this is a way that you can protect your furniture. If you have children that likes to make messes and you don't want it to stain your furniture, just stay tuned and watch how I Scotch guard my dining room chairs. Be right back. So guys, I'm getting out my Shark Vac, and I'm going to get all the crumbs out of the crevices of the chairs and anywhere in the chairs, because we don't want to Scotch guard those little filthy crumbs onto our chairs. So that's what I'm doing. I have an attachment that gets down in those crevices, and then I'm going to use the brush to make sure that I'm getting all between the fibers to get all of the particles up before I give them a nice wipe down. So that's all you need to do, guys, and we're going to proceed on to the next step. So the next step is to get a bucket of warm water, and a little bit of dish soap is what I'm using. Nothing fancy, guys. Let's keep this really straight to the point and frugal. And I'm just wiping down certain areas that I see little stains on the chairs, and I'm gonna go around and do that to all 4 of these chairs, and that is it. Okay, nothing fancy at all. I promise you guys, this is the easiest way to Scotch guard your chairs and the most frugal way that I know of. Alright guys, now it's time to spray the chairs, and I opened up my windows just to get some ventilation. That's what it recommends on here, and I only have 4 chairs, and I'm only going to do the front of them, so that's what you're going to see me do and show you how to do it. You should be 6 to 8 inches away from the chair when spraying it, and so I'm going to show you that right now. Alright. Alright guys, so they are sprayed, and they recommend that you do this annually or every 6 months, depending on how much traffic you have on your furniture. And I did open the windows because this stuff smells like alcohol. So yeah, make sure you are in a ventilated area, or that you open up your space so that way it can breathe. And I'm actually going to open the front door as well. So I'm going to let that sit, and then I'm going to probably come back with another coat, and that's it. And I literally still have over half a bottle left, and that's with 4 dining room chairs. So I'm going to spray my cream chairs and show you that. Alright guys, so we are proceeding on to vacuum and get all the crumbs off of these bad boys. Now these were the chairs that made your girl go out and buy the 3M Scotchgard. I knew that they were not Scotchgard, and I know I have children, and I have family, and I have people, and I have guests, and all that crazy stuff, and I did not want anyone to ruin my chair. As you know, there is a little wet spot, and that spot is from someone who came over and had dinner and spilled something on my chair. I can be a little anal sometimes, but you know, when you pay for stuff, you want to keep it nice, and you want your house to basically mimic you, so therefore you want to protect it any way you can. So I thought this had to be done ASAP. It should have been done a long time ago, but after I Scotch guarded the actual chairs, I just put the fan on it to let the fan help dry it out faster. Guys, it is just that simple. I hope you guys are enjoying this. A great frugal way to Scotch guard your furniture. you have officially protected your chairs. Now that cream chair that you've seen, I'm gonna probably go back over in the front because I had to scrub a little stain. Well, it wasn't a stain, it was something we scrubbed before, but I think we left too much soap on it, so you've seen a little mark, so that's why it's wet. So I'm gonna go back over that area after that wetness dries and Scotchgard that. But that is it. For less than $8, I Scotchgarded 6 dining room chairs. So if you have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you guys. It is sweating like crazy. I will see you guys in the next video. Later, Gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media, but before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.